Hi everyone, good morning this morning. Aunty Clair back on the channel. Yes.
So today
I'm doing some jerk pork. You can see big heap of pork, lots of pork. Yeah. I'm marinating it up now. And I'm doing some jerk chicken. Okay? So you all can see this is the way I do it. So I have ginger. You can see the ginger, lots of ginger, onion, thyme, lots of garlic. I use lots of garlic.
What's that other vegetable?
Yes.
Pepper?
Pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, the real Scotchy.
I know what seasonings
Yes.
did you use?
And I'm gonna use some browning, some Maggi, and